This is Your Health Matters.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sandra Freyhofer. Flu season is here. I hope you've been vaccinated. A new study in the Journal of the American Medical Association suggests another reason to make sure you have been. Flu vaccination may help prevent heart attacks and strokes. The study combined 5 international trials involving some 6,500 patients. 1/3 of them had recognized heart disease. Some received flu vaccination, the others did not. They were followed on average about 8 months. For those with stable heart disease, being vaccinated for flu reduced risk of heart attack or stroke by 36%. For those who had a heart attack within the last year, the protective effect was even greater, a 55% reduction in heart attacks. The protective effect of flu vaccine may be related to reducing inflammation and may help keep atherosclerotic blockages in heart arteries from rupturing, clogging the heart artery and thus blocking blood flow. There's been criticism of this study. There are some design flaws. Many experts say it doesn't really prove that getting vaccinated will definitely prevent heart attack. More research is needed. But with heart disease the leading killer of people in this country, do you really want to roll those dice? Get vaccinated against flu. Everyone over 6 months old needs flu vaccination every year. With Your Health Matters, I'm Dr. Sandra Freyhofer.
Your Health Matters is a production of Georgia Public Broadcasting.